Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start exercise number 5.2. In this exercise we have statements questions. Question number 1 is, three families live together in a house. Students, in a house three families live together. The daily use of milk of one family is 5 whole number 1 by 2 liter, and the other two families use 1 whole number 1 by 6 liter and 2 whole number 1 by 3 liters respectively. How much milk would a milkman supply them? In these questions we have to find the total supply of milk. First of all, we write the quantity of milk used by first family is equal to 5 whole number 1 by 2 liter. Quantity of milk used by second family is equal to 1 whole number 1 by 6 liter, and quantity of milk used by third family is equal to 2 whole number 1 by 3 liter. Total quantity of supply milk is equal to 5 whole number 1 by 2 plus 1 whole number 1 by 6 plus 2 whole number 1 by 3. Students, as we know, these fractions are mixed number fractions and we can't add them without converting them in simple fractions. So, first of all, we have to convert them in simple fractions. 2 5s are 10 and 1 11 by 2, 6 1s are 6 and 1 7 by 6 plus 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 by 3. Now, we find the least common multiple of 2, 6 and 3, and the LCM of 2, 6 and 3 is equal to 6. So, students, we have to convert these fractions into like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions which denominator are same. So, we have to multiply first fraction with 3, because after multiplying 2 with 3, it will be changed into 6. 11 3s are 33, 2 3s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 6 1s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6. Students, now these fractions are changed into like fraction and we can add them easily. 33 plus 7 plus 14 is equal to 54. 54 by 6 liter. Now we have to reduce this fraction with 6. 6 9s are 54 and 6 1s are 6. Total supply of milk is 9 liter for the family. Hence, the milkman supply them 9 liter milk. Students, question number 2 is, Noshin bought 12 meter cloth from the market. She used half of the cloth for her suit. नौशीन ने मार्केट से कपड़ा लिया है 12 मीटर और उसमें से हाफ कपड़ा जो है उसने अपने सूट के लिए यूज़ कर लिया है. एंड 2/3 ऑफ रिमेनिंग फॉर हर डॉटर्स सूट. और जो रिमेनिंग कपड़ा है, जो रिमेनिंग क्लॉथ है, उसमें से 2/3 उसने अपनी डॉटर के कपड़ों के लिए यूज़ कर लिया है. हाउ मच क्लॉथ वॉज लेफ्ट विद हर. नौशीन के पास कितना कपड़ा बच गया है, लेफ्ट क्या है. स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we write the total length of cloth is equal to 12 meter and length used for her suit. Noshin used length for her suit is equal to half of the cloth. So, to half the cloth we have to divide 12 with 2. If we reduce 12 by 2, the answer will be 6 meter. Now we have to find the remaining cloth. To find the remaining cloth, we subtract 6 meter from total length of the cloth. 12 meter minus 6 is equal to 6 meter. Cloth used for her daughter is 2/3 of remaining cloth. So, we have to multiply 6 with 2/3. 3 2s are 6, now 2 2s are 4. Noshin used for her daughter's suit 4 meter cloth. The length of cloth left with her is Remaining cloth is equal to 6 meter and cloth used for her daughter's suit is 4 meter. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 meter. The remaining cloth with her is 2 meters. Question number 3 is Ahmed required 18 1/2 feet long cable wire for connection. अहमद को एक कनेक्शन के लिए 18 होल नंबर 1/2 feet long wire चाहिए. He joined two lengths of wires of 9 whole number 3/4 feet and 11 whole number 1/6 feet. Now, how much length does he have more than the required length? अहमद ने अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करने के लिए 2 वायर्स को ज्वाइन किया है और अब वो उसके पास जो वायर है वो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट से ज़्यादा है. हमने ये फाइंड करना है कि कितनी वायर उसके पास रिक्वायरमेंट से ज़्यादा है. फर्स्ट लेंथ ऑफ वायर इज इक्वल टू 9 होल नंबर 3/4 feet and the second length of wire is equal to 11 whole number 1/6 feet. The sum of wires is equal to 9 whole number 3/4 plus 11 whole number 1/6. Students, as we know, we can't add the fractions because these are mixed number fractions. First of all, we have to convert them in simple fractions. 4 9s are 36 and 3 39/4 plus 6 11s are 66 and 1 67/6. Now we have to find the least common multiple of 4 and 6 and the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Now we have to convert the denominators in 12. 39 multiplied by 3 is equal to 117. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12 plus 67 multiplied by 2 is equal to 134 and 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. The sum of these fractions is equal to 251/12. It is the sum of those wires which Ahmed has joined for connection. Required length is equal to 18 whole number 1/2. Students, now we have to subtract length. Now we have to subtract required length from the length of 2 wires which have Ahmed joined. The sum of 2 lengths is equal to 251/12 and the required length is 18 whole number 1/2. Students, now we have to convert this mixed number fraction into simple fraction and the simple fraction of this mixed number fraction is 37/2. Now we have to find the least common multiple of 12 and 2 and the least common multiple of 12 and 2 is 12. 251 multiplied by 1 is equal to 251. 12 ones are 12. 37 multiplied by 6 is equal to 222 and 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Now we can easily subtract 222 by 12 minus 251. The subtraction is equal to 29/12. Now we have to solve this fraction. We have to reduce this fraction by division. 12 2s are 24, 9 minus 4 5. Now the answer is 2 whole number 5/12. The extra wire is 2 whole number 5/12. Okay students, today's lecture is complete. If you have any problem in these questions, you may clear it by asking me. Kindly do practice on your rough notebook and mention the date on your work. Allah Hafiz.